Homemade Italian pizza recipe, authentic and delicious. Ciao, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel kitchen. Today, we're going to transport ourselves to Italy and learn how to make a mouthwatering homemade Italian pizza. We'll use the freshest ingredients and follow traditional methods to achieve that authentic taste. So let's get started. Before we dive into the preparations, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this Italian pizza masterpiece. Ingredients: 500 grams all-purpose flour, 1 packet, 7g, active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1½ cups warm water, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup tomato passata, strained tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, thinly sliced, fresh basil leaves, grated Parmesan cheese. Optional toppings: pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, olives, etc. Preparation. Step 1: Activating the yeast. In a small bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This indicates that the yeast is active and ready to work its magic. Step 2: Mixing the dough. In a large mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour and salt. Now, pour in the activated yeast mixture and extra virgin olive oil. Using a spatula or your hands, mix everything until a dough starts to form. Step 3: Kneading the dough. Transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead it for about 8–10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If the dough feels too sticky, you can sprinkle a little more flour as you need. Step 4: Proofing the dough. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1–2 hours or until it doubles in size. This process is called proofing. Step 5: Preparing the pizza base. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. Take the proofed dough and gently punch it down to release the air. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions if you want to make 2 pizzas, or leave it whole for 1 large pizza. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Step 6: Assembling the pizza. Place the rolled-out pizza base on a baking sheet or pizza stone. Evenly spread the tomato passata over the base, leaving a small border around the edges. Add the fresh mozzarella slices, torn basil leaves, and any other toppings you desire. Step 7: Baking the pizza. Now, it's time to bake our masterpiece. Pop the pizza into the preheated oven and bake for about 12–15 minutes or until the crust turns golden and the cheese bubbles. Our homemade Italian pizza is ready. Remove it from the oven and sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. Let it cool for a minute or 2 before slicing. Now, all that's left is to savor this delicious, authentic Italian pizza. Grazie for joining us today in making this mouthwatering Italian pizza. Remember, the key to a perfect pizza lies in the quality of the ingredients and the love you put into making it. Enjoy your pizza, and see you next time. Ciao! Are you a food enthusiast looking to embark on a delightful culinary adventure? If so, then our multi-recipe and cookery channel is the perfect destination for you. Join our team of passionate home cooks as we explore diverse cuisines from around the world. From Italian pasta to Indian curries, from French pastries to Mexican salsas, we've got it all covered. With easy-to-follow recipes, kitchen tips, and a dash of cultural insights, we're here to help you master the art of cooking and recreate your favorite dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen. So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this mouthwatering journey together. Don't miss out on any of our delicious updates. Remember to ring the notification bell. Join our growing community of food lovers, and let's celebrate the joy of food, one recipe at a time. Happy cooking!